Hello and welcome to my channel where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for day trading. So weekly chart exactly at same place as yesterday. We are hovering around the weekly resistance. Daily chart, we took out daily high. This is a good high now. The only logical place to go on daily chart is to support around this daily order block 42,650. 42,300. There will be a lot of volume and volatility and panic and emotion here, so some wicks below are acceptable. Don't get too scared. We're playing daily support. For daily support you need daily kind of patience, so don't just go on 1 minute time frame. That's it, we touch the order block and we fly. No, we need more patience for the support to hold. This was a good high and you see how much we dropped, and this is a good high again. So it's not out of the question that we drop even below the order block. This was no support here. We didn't have any support. Fast move up, fast move down. Now we have some support. So I would expect to hold this daily order block, or maybe even higher, like hold this drop, and then we expect higher prices to take out the weekly high. I don't expect massive crash from here, just because this high is not taken. So let's see what I had projected yesterday and how it worked out. I made a video around here. I was expecting the high to be taken. I was kind of bullish, but as you know, higher lows at any point can get swept, and they got swept in one move. It was a little bit unexpected for me, I will be honest, that we didn't take this high before the sweep. If we took the high and then we dropped like that, then it would be something I would trade. I was expecting this short right here, but it only came today. But now thing is, when we dropped from here, we held the support. We did a small swing failure here, and we took out these higher lows, but we didn't take out this consolidation. So basically, when the price was moving down, it was one structure. When the price started moving up, it's a different structure. So technically, this right here is the cut point where price started moving up, and we swept everything from where the price was moving up. We swept everything. We didn't get the very low, we didn't get this low as well, and that's fine, but I would be expecting this low to be taken from this swing failure right here. The only logical place to go now, from the highs to the lows, and then see what happens. Yeah, so now I am not bullish. I would expect the daily high to be taken right here. I would still expect this to be taken. We are holding higher lows. Let's see how the trend line looks like. We are holding higher lows. So we could bounce, but this is significant. This is important. You can see how much selling we are getting, how much of a reaction this is. This can go to the low and even lower, and daily order block. Like if we take the low and swing failure, okay, this is an aggressive long, and if this doesn't hold, there will be a lot of emotion, and the daily order block, it's not just gonna bounce like that, because you need more patience. This is daily support. You need daily kind of patience, and that means that it can take few hours. Like you need to form a decent bottom here. The only aggressive trades that you can take are swing failures. For example, right here. This is not a trade, and I missed this, and that's fine. And this is not a long as well, because we didn't take the low. If we took the low and then shifted out, that would be fine. Yeah, so my projection worked out only today, and we took the high. The only logical place now to go is below the low, Now, if we are really bullish and we are in bull market, we should be holding point of control. We cannot move point of control down, we cannot lose it. So the point of control after the drop was right here. We lost it, back tested it, and we move down. Now at the lows right here, we have some support here, we have volume here absorbing, and people aggressively shorting because we lost daily open and now daily candle is red, and people assume that we get a stop run and then we fly down. Now technically this could happen and this should happen, but I'm still expecting the weekly high to be taken, so I'm not becoming super bearish now. If I shorted this swing failure, I was sleeping at that point and I woke up below daily open already, so it was too late for me. I'm not gonna short support, I can only short resistance. When price is going down, I'm looking for longs. Yeah, okay, so another thing, my test both sides story. They opened, move up again, take the high, and this is a short opportunity on like intraday perspective, not even considering what happened here, this high. This is a short from intraday perspective, targeting daily open and to squeeze the positions. We squeeze one time, we squeeze two times, we squeeze three times. Now, what is happening here? We lost weekly level, which was very important. Daily as well, daily open is important, but weekly level, you can see how it is reacting right here, right here. This was a level as well. Yesterday it was holding as resistance, then we get a squeeze and a backtest and move up. So same pattern, M formation, move down for a squeeze. It's valid for this weekly level as well, and daily open as well. Like we can consider this as one resistance right here. We move down, we backtest, we move down again, take out the low. So we kind of start a downtrend, same like here. We start an uptrend and then we crash. Now we start the downtrend, and what can we expect? That we will squeeze daily open and the weekly. Like with high probabilities, maybe not from here, but like for me, I'm already long right here. I longed around here, I added here now, and I will be stopping my long just a little bit lower, because taking out this range low makes a lot of sense. This is kind of aggressive because I'm expecting my pattern now. W formation and squeeze daily open and weekly. How much we squeeze? Where is the VWAP? I would expect kind of backtest of VWAP. Yeah, and that then make more, like when we backtest, when we squeeze up, we get a lot of information on the way down. How is this holding? If we lose, okay, I'm out. I don't care if I made money, if not. If we lose this, like we squeeze, this is supposed to be flipping as support. If we start losing, that's it. See you later. But I am confident with high probability that we will try to squeeze daily open. And if we squeeze daily open and VWAP breaks and this point of control breaks, we are looking for the weekly high at 44,769, and I don't see why not. We will see. So my pattern squeezed. Now my pattern, I'm looking to squeeze up. Of course, this is a big deal that we swing failure this. So according to this, it makes sense that we go lower. Let's check order flow. I'm already talking for 10 minutes. Jesus. Sweet Jesus. Okay. So imbalances. People didn't long, didn't short the high. This is a good swing failure. If there is nothing here, no imbalances, like I can show you another example previously. People shorted, but there is no long trap here. Price went down from aggressive shorts. This is one case where the big guys can short, because this is kind of liquidity grab. I am expecting on swing failure patterns the big guys to short. At the same time, I'm expecting breakout longs to open. So what does it mean that we don't have imbalances here? That means breakout longs and swing failure shorts are massively opening at the same time, and there is no imbalance. Like, that means there is no more shorts or no more longs, they just both opening at the same time, and this is good opportunity for a reversal. It makes sense. Weekly profile. We are below the point of control, just holding a little bit. Losing this can take us all the way to 42,400, which would be crazy. But why not? Monthly, you see how much volume this is? The horizontal, how much? That's a lot. Support is 41,600. Yeah, so we better not lose this. It's gonna look really bad, like similar to this price action. Of course, here we didn't have support. It was fast move up, fast move down. Now we have some support here. We built support. So I would expect price to go down and then bounce from the middle somewhere and make new highs. Now, here on order flow, we had support all day yesterday. Price went higher, as I would expect, because people are selling. They make the chart look bearish to force people to sell, and then they shift the price up, and then these same people who sold here, they are buying. You force people to sell, you force people to buy, and you manipulate the range basically. People sell at the lows, people buy at the highs. What is happening today? After the swing failure, we see massive wall of resistance. Price dropped. We see massive support at 44k. Price bounced. We see massive wall of resistance. Again, there is millions and millions of buying, price not moving up. VWAP rejected, more or less. Then we see massive support. They are manipulating the range. They are buying and they are selling from their retail. They are hitting the stops and they are absorbing everything, longs and shorts. CVD is basically, order flow is neutral here. You cannot say that this is bullish, you cannot say that this is bearish, because we don't know what's their plan. They are filling big longs, big shorts, and they are filling big longs at the same time and almost at the same place. Yeah, so order flow neutral. We don't have any information here. Let's go back and make a plan for some levels. So reclaiming this level is a long opportunity to take 44,700. I will even draw it out. Don't long it on the break, but long it on the way it comes down. This will hold, like we lock in the bottom above daily open and we look for this to risk reward. That's fine, but thing is that when we go up, it can squeeze easily to 45, 46, so you get a bonus. Something like that. Now, I will just hide it. I don't really like this long. It makes sense if we come back above. And it's a better long to long this swing failure. Hold this for bounce. Long swing failure right here. I have an X. And for short, swing failure of the high or at top formation at the highs. Yeah, so that's all. and let's see if we make new highs.